How to redeem eBay gift card on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can redeem an eBay gift card on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this tutorial also applies for Android device or any of the web browser. It doesn't necessarily only apply and is not iPhone specific because it's a global app and you can use it anywhere, and interface is also pretty much the same. But keep in mind that in this case I'm going to use the web version so that people who are watching it on Mac or Windows can also apply this process. But if you are of interface and you're actually very friendly with the application, you could use the eBay app in that as well. Also keep in mind that the process to redeem your eBay gift card is actually a bit different than a normal way to redeem on other social media apps and platforms, because on other apps how it works is that you have to redeem it from the settings page, but in this page we have to actually go ahead and then redeem it from the checkout page during adding our payment details. So just go to Safari or any of the browser you have and then go to ebay.com and then log into your account. Once you log into your account, what I will do is I will add some of the specific products that I want to shop to my cart first of all. So I'll just go ahead and choose a product that I want to add it, and I'll just select the option called add to cart. And once I add a number of products to my cart that I want to buy, I will go to my cart section by tapping on the shopping bag icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once I tap on the cart icon and then if I come to my cart page, now what I will do is after selecting the amount of products that I want to buy, I'll just select the option called go to checkout in this case. Once I select the option called go to checkout, it will ask me for my address and for my payment details as well. And right over here you can see pay with. You can select payment option, but instead of adding a credit or debit card, what we can do is you can find the option called gift card, coupons or eBay bucks, and that's exactly what we're looking for. And that is why I said earlier that the process to redeem it on eBay is actually a bit different. So you could go to the gift card option over here and you can simply enter the code, and depending upon the value of the gift card, once you apply the changes, it is going to be added to that specific product and you don't have to pay for it if the gift card actually fits the criteria. Just go ahead and enter the code, tap on the apply button, and the balance will be added to your eBay account, and necessarily it will be used to buy this product right over here. And that's all it takes to redeem your eBay gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.